Alright, what's up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be back to work on our giveaway Ducati Panigale V2 Bayliss. We're going to be doing blacked out rear sets with carbon fiber heel guards and a really cool trick reservoir, rear reservoir. If you missed the last video, it was a Patreon only video. We did all the carbon pieces back here to accent that beautiful rear sprocket setup and the chain and everything like that, and it looks amazing. And this being all blacked out next is going to be just the cherry on top. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, the beautiful Christina K is gracing us with her presence. She's going to do
this time.
No bikini. It's too cold. It's like 20 degrees outside, and it's actually supposed to be 2 to 4 inches of snow again tomorrow.
More snow
Which is kind of fun. Yeah, she's been filming tons of snow content. If you missed our last vlog, you should go check it out. It's been a lot of fun. Don't forget, this is our next giveaway motorcycle. You can help support this project and be entered to win this bike. Patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's always the first link in the description below. Ooh-wee-oo.
You're doing a rear reservoir?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm not sure if we're gonna do that today, but I know it's right there next to the rear sets, so I figured
I love the look of it.
Yeah, it goes on the other side.
I know.
Yeah.
But it's gonna look so good against the
Super
bike.
cool.
Beautiful.
So that's from Moto Course. Again, we get all of our parts from Manny at MotoMillion. Use my code Campisi, save yourself some money, and motomillion.com is always linked in the description below of every single video. We couldn't do these builds without them, so go and show them some love. That's on the other side. Yeah, they're huge though compared to the stock ones.
Look at that.
Badass.
So this is glossy, these are non-glossy.
Those are satin, yeah, but that's fine.
It looks so good. Look
We'll
at that
spit
little
on 'em.
touch. There's nothing back, there's nothing there. And then, what was here before?
A silver one. We took it
You
off.
already took it off, okay.
Remember in the last video to put this on? Yeah.
That looks so good.
Yeah, it's gonna look really good. So we got carbon heel guards.
Touch of,
we need a cutter. 1 second. If you guys can believe it, our Urus leaves tomorrow. It's sold. It will be gone, picked up hopefully if all goes well tomorrow. Although it's supposed to be snowing, so I bet that's not gonna happen.
It'll probably happen.
Probably be Saturday. Yeah. So, crazy.
Follow the ball. Here we go.
This is,
all the
holy crap.
Parts needed.
Oh, cool. They give you different brackets. I like that. Everything's just blacked out. So these are Duca bike rear sets, all blacked out, and a lot of pieces of stuff. A lot of parts.
This is the first time they've all come in this many pieces.
Yeah, sometimes they come together.
Sets that's already all
Yes,
together,
sometimes they are. Duca bike doesn't do it that way. So
The bike.
that's all good. I mean, you got to take them all apart anyway.
Black on black on black.
Yeah, it's going to be way better.
Look at the difference.
We've used Duca bike stuff before in the past, and it's really good quality. It's one of my favorite aftermarket brands
that's gonna be
for
gorgeous.
Ducati. Yeah, so there's both sides.
Get rid of this. Do you have a black one of this?
No, I'm trying to find one.
Oh.
If anyone knows where I can get a black kickstand, it can be carbon or black. Drop a link in the
This is really cool.
in my YouTube my YouTube comments.
It was black.
Yeah, I need to replace that if possible.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, before we get started today, I wanted to show you Chef Dado's station over here. We got wood-fired, what's this thing called?
Wood stove?
Wood-fired, I can't speak.
No, you can't.
Wood-fired sausages on the wood stove. So we've got, well, that's actual sausages. These are
chicken
jalapeno.
Well, they're both sausages. So these are beef, chicken jalapeno, or Jesus, I can't talk.
We haven't even had it.
Teens is dropping everything.
Excuse me? What's happening over there? Don't worry about it. She loves dropping shit.
These are chicken, cheddar, jalapeno sausage.
Okay.
Then we have venison sticks.
Ooh, are these local?
Yeah.
Nice.
I know the guy that shot this deer.
That's crazy.
And then beef, jalapeno, cheddar sausages.
Let's show them what's going on in here. Oh yeah, what are we burning today?
Oak.
Oak. That oak burns hot, guys. It is hot.
That's why I have it turned down.
How cool is that, though? All right, making some Dado-made concoctions, smoking some drinks that we're making here, and you guys can pick up some of these for yourself at DadoMadeShop.com. Support your boy and get some cool smoking kits. Look at that. That is super cool.
So dense.
Okay, so we're slowly going through all the parts, splitting up things to the different sides, making sure we half know what's going on. We couldn't find any directions, but we did find some photos, so we're going off of those. So yeah, we're gonna start disassembly first. We gotta remove these. We have to pull this bolt out, slide this back out of the way, and then we'll start putting stuff together. All right, food is done. Look at this. You guys recognize them? That's Dado with his homemade hot sauce with a hot chili pepper as a mustache. This guy, dude, what does he do? He poured it all over that. I have ulcers in my mouth right now because I'm fighting a cold, so I don't think I could do that. It's gonna be so hot. How is it? Oh my God. Is it good?
It's hot.
Is it like physically hot or the hot sauce?
Hot sauce.
Or both? Also, we've gotten absolutely nothing done so far. It's just one of those days, you know? We told Teens to look after the food and she couldn't even do that.
It was burning.
Fucking women. Teens, how's the food over there?
It's burning.
Cool, thank you for your help, we appreciate it. You've been really helpful. We've asked her so many times. Now check on this food.
It looks good. You can't even see it's
It's burnt to a crisp.
That's how I like my sausages.
That's true, are you gonna try some on camera?
Maybe.
I'm gonna stuff one in there. Onlyfans.com.
Oh God.
We always get in trouble every time we mention it.
Teens takes a glizzy.
Even though it's locked behind a paywall. I don't know. Don't worry about it. That's good, right? We can still let them cook a little more. I like my stuff well done.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my God, yeah. Put some water on it, Dotskis. Come on. Show them how it's done. Woo-wee! All right. I had to crack open a Stella because my mouth's on fire from this guy's homemade hot sauce. He didn't tell me he was putting straight up hot peppers just on your beehole.
It's actually nine different peppers, and one of them is a Carolina Reaper.
Ah, I feel it.
Wait till you.
I like it.
Wait till you're on the throne and feel it.
Hey, we're gonna leave this off because next episode we're gonna do some stuff over here.
Okay.
So that's perfect.
There's that part.
There you go. Get that piece of junk out of here. Excuse me. I wish we could get rid of all this silver, to be completely honest.
We're actually getting rid of this too.
Yes, we are. Wait, I was supposed to get this on camera. There you go, now you're good. And you put hot sauce on there? Oh, she's about to get lit up like a Christmas tree. Look at her. She's like, I'm part Russian. I am a badass. My name's Christina. Oh. You won't.
Don't do
It's
that.
really good. The bread extra crispy is actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad I
cheese
She let it catch on. She doesn't like cheese.
There's cheese
Oh,
in
that's
there.
right.
How long have you known her, Dado?
That's right.
No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't.
Wow.
You won't do
She's
it.
gonna show you up.
Wow.
Did you try some?
Jared looked
Yeah.
at it and he was choking. Over
I put a lot on mine. I don't want to talk about it. How is it? We'll check in with her in a little bit.
Cool. Oh.
Mm.
The other ones are way better.
This one?
The beef ones, so
How thick
good.
those are.
Oh God. Oh, she's lost it. Okay, my mouth's on fire. This is where we're at. Slowly assembling the left-hand side. There you go. Breakaway, rear peg. That's the shifter. It's gonna go actually behind it, I believe, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Well, you were just showing it. So there you go. It's getting there. We're gonna keep going. This is the current situation. We're missing a bearing on the
It's a
new
bushing,
ones.
actually.
Bushing, sorry.
So
I'm not used to bushes. Christina lasers.
I used a chromoly socket, which fits perfectly in here.
Oh yeah.
Same diameter as the bushing.
You're gonna press that into the new one?
Press it out. Yeah.
Press it in, press
It's
it out.
very impressing.
Ah! So if you look on this side, you can see that there's a, what did you call it?
Bushing.
A bush. There's a
So-
bush in that one. There isn't a bush in this
Yeah,
one.
so that fits in there perfectly. We got to press it in, and then the shank bolt that goes in there slides in there perfectly.
Hold on, let me get it to focus. There it is.
Once again, we don't have instructions on this, so we're winging it.
Yeah.
But based on fitment, they typically give you brand new ones of these. Thank
Yeah,
God
that's
that
weird.
This is a brand new bike.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Why would you want to reuse that?
I don't know. Why is the music so loud? All right. Oh God, I'm putting the lift down right on my legs. Look at that, you don't even notice them anymore, blacked out. So I didn't show it on camera, but on the stock ones, Dado was moving this and the whole thing in here was like moving and sliding. Now it looks
tight.
And feels.
It feels phenomenal.
We like them tight, don't we, boys? So because this took so long, mainly to try to find instructions, we ended up having to call FaceTime Manny. I think we're gonna.
I say we run these backwards just to be rebels.
I think that's a good idea. The smaller one goes on this side. I think we're gonna put these on, and that's probably where we're gonna stop it. And then I might do a Patreon only video next, doing the other side and some other little trinkies, and then we'll move on from there because we got a winter storm advisory for tomorrow, and Dado still has to work in the morning. It's getting pretty late, so I think we'll throw those bad boys on. We're gonna use the stock bolts, which I believe are silver. Is that
no,
correct?
we're not. I think I'm gonna find some black ones.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. I already found some black bolts. Look at those. Sleek. Looking sleek, boys. Once he gets that in, I think that's where we're gonna call it for today. But look at all that. You guys missed that on YouTube? My Lord. All the gloss carbon with the beautiful titanium. And we got all kinds of carbon left coming too. Look at this thing, dude. Looking juicy. But I think that's it. I think that's where we're gonna leave you guys for this episode. So don't forget, you can support this episode on Patreon. Patreon.com/Campisi Custom is always the first link in the description below. Gorgeous. We're gonna be doing, Manny's actually gonna send us a carbon kickstand as well. The only thing we won't be able to swap is this, but half of it's covered up anyway. We're gonna have carbon for that. I'm looking at getting some black ones for this as well. And we also have carbon for, yeah, there's gonna be a lot. There's some stuff coming, all right? I got some tricks up my sleeve. But that's it for this episode. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.